In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change view options in Outlook Office 365. By the end, you'll know how to quickly switch layouts, customize what you see, and reset things if your view ever looks off. Everything happens on the View tab at the top of Outlook. So go ahead and click that to follow along. First, let's look at Change View, which gives you quick presets. Compact is the default and shows a dense list that fits more messages on screen. Single spreads each message onto one line, which can be easier to scan if you prefer a cleaner look. Preview shows a short snippet of the message directly in the list. Helpful when you want more context at a glance. Try switching between them to see what matches your screen size and your reading style. Next, refine the layout section. The reading pane controls where the email preview appears. Set it to the right for a wide, side-by-side view. The bottom for a more traditional split, or turn it off to maximize your message list. Useful if you are triaging quickly. The folder pane is your navigation on the left. You can show or hide it, or customize it to keep only the folders you use most visible, which reduces clutter and keeps you focused. Then T here is Message Preview in the message list. You can enable or disable preview text to show more of the subject list or more of the message content. If you are short on space, turning it off can make your list more compact. For deeper control, click View Settings. This is where you tune the details. In columns, pick which fields appear, like Sender, Subject, and Received. If T here is information you don't use, remove it. If you rely on something specific, add it and reorder to put the most important fields first. In Sort and Group, arrange messages by date, sender, or conversation. Sorting by conversation is great for keeping replies together, while sorting by sender helps when you are processing emails from a specific person. Conditional formatting lets you apply special fonts or colors automatically. For example, bold unread messages. Highlight urgent items or set a distinct color for certain categories. This makes important emails stand out instantly. If your view ever becomes distorted or you simply want to start fresh, don't worry. Go to View, open Change View, and choose Compact to return to the default. You can also select Manage Views and use Reset to restore the original settings. Keep in mind that views can be set per degree Fahrenheit older, so adjust and reset as needed in each one. Experiment with these options, find what supports your workflow, and remember you can always revert. Thanks for watching.